Many young children are being seen in this Jantar Mantar protest, how the water cannon are being turned into rain dance, and how the superhero costumes are being worn during this protest, and the way how Instagram viral memes are being turned into protest posters. So, as a psychologist, what I think about Gen Zs are that how they are being able to cope up with their stress, express their thoughts, identities, and even create a community. When water cannon can turn into rain dance, barricade can turn into an Instagram content by making it as a game like tug of war or roller skates. So, humor can be one of the biggest possible for the people to overcome fear, frustration, uncertainty. Well, psychologically speaking, humor can help a human, a person, to regulate with emotions and maintain an emotional resilience during the difficult situation. How social media influences Gen Zs grew up online. So the protests are not only happening in the streets; it is happening in the YouTube, Instagram, Thread. So the protest is not only physically; they're experiencing the event even digitally. So this is how a collective behavior is being shaped with the help of a social media. Seeing one Gen Z not backing up even despite of the circumstances where they feel that they couldn't stand but still being strong in their part, that could shape and influence other people, other youngsters and youths, that they could also go and stand over there. As we can see, there are a lot of even kids, parents, though different age groups are there, but the major focus and the concern is on the Gen Z, isn't it? This is all because of the social media. So, talking about the previous generation, how do they express the protest? They usually express it through slogan, speeches. But these Gen Zs, they are expressing through viral content, digital contents, creative costumes from their favorite characters like Marvel or wearing cockroaches, right? So, this is a message where they are trying to express that they need to be felt, they need to be heard, they need to be seen. This is a fascinating social psychology concept, the playful and resistance. So when people together they turn the protest and such kind of stressful event into a humor where the barriers are turning into a tug of war and they are turning a very tense situation into a humor situation. In this situation, the Gen Zs are helping themselves and others to regulate with their emotions, having a psychological resistance from any kind of fear, depression, stress, frustration, or any other possible concern. And also, the laugh, when they laugh together, that could eventually resist the fearful situation. And to discuss about the collective identity, the Marvel costumes, the trend references, and the viral posters. This shares about we are all part of the same generation, and this creates a strong bond and a beautiful belonging towards each other. Regardless of political views, this behavior provides an interesting example of how this generation express their emotions, build a community, and even navigate through social depths.